Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. So today's video is going to be a video of me trying out Merit Beauty. They were so kind to send me 7 products. I got to choose the 7 products that I wanted to test out with you guys, and I just want to thank Merit Beauty for sending me these products, and just thank you so much for giving these to me. So today I'm just going to be trying this brand out. This is my first time with this brand, and so if you want to see my impressions, my opinion about Merit Beauty, then just keep watching. So I didn't get any foundation or anything like that. So my base is on. I have my foundation, my bronzer, my blush, my highlight, everything. I only got lip products and I got a mascara. So look how cute this little bag is that the products come in. This is so adorable. It's like this velvety type of bag. It's so cute, and then all the products are in here. And from what I understand about Merit is that they are a more like natural, no makeup company. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's just what that's like their mission statement. That's like what they advertise as. So this is a really very natural, no makeup type of look, and I love doing these looks on a daily basis. I don't really do my makeup super heavy on a daily basis, especially with work. I don't wear foundation. I don't wear a lot of face products because my skin, I don't want my skin to get ruined as well. But I have been loving the no makeup look. So let's just get into this review. And yes, so first product that I'm going to test out on camera with you guys is this mascara. I have been trying this mascara out off camera a lot because I want to try the product before I make a video on it. That's just how I am. So I have been wearing this to work a lot, and I do like it, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's not gonna give you that super voluminous fake false eyelash effect. It's gonna look very natural, and I have semi thick eyebrows already, but it doesn't, for example, if you have the Maybelline Sky High mascara, it's not gonna look like that. This is more natural, very natural. And this is their Clean Lash Lengthening Tubing Mascara. So since it is a lengthening mascara, maybe that's why it's not very voluminous, but I'm just gonna try try this on camera. And bristles on this are they're not like the plastic bristles. They are more so the, I don't know, the hair bristles. So I'm just gonna apply this on my lashes, and I do like it. I like how it's a tubing mascara because it's so easy to remove. Tubing mascaras are the best mascaras when you're taking off your makeup because they don't smudge and do all of that mess that the other regular mascaras do. But I'm just gonna apply this on my lashes, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see it closer. It is pretty, actually. It's really nice. If you compare or contrast, look at this eyelash, this eye, and then this eye. This eye has no mascara, this eye has mascara. This one looks a lot more bam. It still looks very natural, but you can tell that it's different from my natural lashes without mascara. So it's nice. It's very nice. Okay, I thought my brush went off to my eyebrows. I was scared. I was like, oh my god. And don't mind my eyebrows. I need to get them done. I need to go today to get these eyebrows done because they look a mess. But I'm just gonna apply more here. And do you guys make that face too when you apply mascara? Do you go because I always do this. I always go I make that face when I apply mascara. But yeah, I'm gonna run this in, and the thing I like about this mascara is that you can do multiple coats. This eyelash, for whatever reason, it's getting a little clumpy. The thing that I learned is if your mascara clumps, you can get one of these comb brushes, and you can just comb through your eyelashes to unclump them. It's nice. Alright, so now that we have the mascara on, we're gonna go on to my favorite part, the lips. I did get 5 lip products. I got 3 tube lipsticks and then 2 oil, no, Shade Slick tinted lip oils. But first I'm going to show you guys the packaging for the tube lipsticks. Like, look how beautiful this packaging is. This packaging is one of the most beautiful lipstick, like tube lipstick packaging I've ever seen. So it's like this clearish brownish top, and then you have the tube is gold, and then the lipstick comes out of there, and you get a pretty, you know, decent amount. And these are just so beautiful. Now I will say these are more so, they're not matte lipsticks, they're not like super matte lipstick. This is their signature lip lightweight lipsticks, so it gives you kind of like this tint of color. You guys will see when I apply it, it's not like this bold matte lipstick. It's more so like this natural, what is that called, like when they do like a blotted, I think it's like more so like a blotted kind of lipstick. But you'll see, you guys will see the formula and you'll see exactly how it looks. So the first shade that I am gonna try out from the signature lip collection is this color here in 1990. I got this color because I was born in 94, and I was like, oh, you know, 1990 is the closest one to my date being born. But anyways, this is a beautiful brown, and I feel like this is like the classic 90s brown lipstick. And now you see what I was talking about, like the sheer, like it's not, it literally looks like my lips. So I wouldn't say it's like a super pigmented lipstick. It's definitely satin. It's definitely satin, and it's definitely more of a lighter color. So this is 1990, and this is what it looks like on my skin tone. Now, you know, consider like in mine, different skin tones is gonna look differently. So if you're a lighter skin tone, this might look more so darker, deeper on your skin tone. But for me, this is like a very like nude, muted lip. And yeah, so it added a little bit of color, but it didn't add too much. I feel like it still looks like my lips. So this is 1990. And the next color that I picked up is this shade here. This is another brown. This is called Slip. Now this one I think is a little bit more pigmented. Let's see, I don't remember this one. Okay, yeah, this one is even lighter than 1990. So like this one, to me this looks more so like something I would put on top of a like matte lipstick to kind of give it like a satin finish, because if I don't want like a glossy look. But this to me looks very clear. Like that's the one thing I will say though, is that the color of the actual lipstick, like the wax or whatever material this is from lipstick, it doesn't really transfer onto your lips. Like you would think that this would be like a deeper color, but it actually ends up showing much lighter when it's applied to the lips. So I think the colors are a little bit like misleading in a sense. Not you know, insulting or anything. I'm just saying like 1990 I thought it was gonna be like a beautiful deep rich brown, but when I put it on my lips it was very muted and very nude. But then again, this brand is very like no makeup. But the only thing I would say is like I wish it was a little bit tad bit more pigmented, so you could at least like have, you know, color on your lips, because I feel like this is not really adding much color to my lips. Last color that I got is Cabo. Now this is a more red color. I'm not gonna lie, when I did apply this color, it came up, it shows up more so orange on my skin. I have tried this off camera, but you guys will see. So this is what Cabo looks like. So it looks like this, but you'll see how it looks orange. Now this one is more so pigmented. Like you see that? You see how pigmented that is? That's what I wish 1990 was like. So Cabo is a more so, Cabo to me is a more so red orange shade. It's pretty, it's really pretty, like I like it. Like this I would wear. Like I feel like this is like a true satin lipstick. This is the only one out of the 3 that I tried that actually is like more so pigmented as opposed to the other ones. Like the other ones, I feel like they're just like kind of like lip toppers in a way, but this one, like, you actually see the color from it. So this is Cabo, and this one is actually really pretty. Like, I didn't think I would like this color. Like, I wanted to try something different, but I actually really like it. It's really nice. So yeah, this is, I think this is my favorite one out of the 3 tube lipsticks. And now we're gonna move on to the Shade Slick tinted lip oils. I did pick up 2 of these. So these are more so lip toppers. I would say, like, I would wear these on top of matte lipsticks that I want them to have a little gloss. I did get one in clear because I do not have any clear lip glosses. And this is in Bel Air, and it has little flecks of glitter in it. And I think it's so cute, but I'm gonna try on the clear one first. Oh, that feels so good on the lips. Like, it's thin, like it's a more so thin formula, but it feels really, really nice on the lips. Like, it feels very hydrated. It feels very moisturizing to the lips. I really like this. Like, I would just put this on, like, if I'm going to a grocery store or anything and I just want to hydrate my lips. But this is really, really nice. Rose hip and grapeseed oil for healthy, never sticky lips. That's one thing I noticed too. It doesn't stick. Like, there's glosses that you'll put on, but these are not glosses, these are tinted lip oils. But there's lip oils, like the e.l.f. ones, they, when you put your lips together, they kind of stick together. But this, there's no sticking, and I like that. And my lips feel so hydrating. Like, right now, they feel so nice and very just smooth. I like this one. And then on top of this one, I'm gonna take okay, let me take my time pronouncing this. So I'm going to take this shade right here, which is a more rosy, pinkish, like reddish shade. And this is called Marrakech. Marrakech. And I'm just going to apply this on my lips. Oh, that's pretty. It's really pretty. Ah, I like this. Because it's so thin, it is easy to kind of get out of the lines. I think I put too much on the brush, so I'm going to have to clean that up a little bit. Okay, this is really pretty. I like this. This one is so pretty and it's so natural. Like, this is like a everyday color. Like, I would wear this color on an everyday basis. It gives my lips color, but it's not super dramatic, and it's very, it is very glossy and it's very like shiny, but I really like this color. This color is beautiful. These are my favorite colors to wear on my lips. I love rosy brown colors. Like, they are my favorite colors to wear. But this and Cabo are really, really hitting the spot. Like, these two are my favorite lip products from Merit that I've tried on today. So that is my video for Merit Beauty and trying out their lipstick items and their mascara. So just a quick rundown of everything. I really like the mascara. It's very natural, very like nice, perfect for everyday, and it's tubing, so when you do take it off, it won't smudge and it won't do like those black smudgy lines under, so that's good. Now to the lip products. My favorite lip one out of the tube lipsticks was definitely Cabo. I love the red orange color. Is so beautiful, and it's the only one that really showed up on my lips. Now 1990 and Slip, unfortunately, didn't really show up on my lips. They were very sheer. They didn't have as much color as I thought they would, but Cabo was really nice. And then I love these Shade Slick tinted lip oils. I really like them. They feel amazing on the lips and they are very beautiful. Like this one I'm wearing, Marrakech. Marrakech is so it's pigmented enough to be natural, but also enough to give you color. So definitely my favorite. I think out of everything I tried, definitely the tinted lip oils stood out the most to me, and these I would like repurchase them and continue using them in the future. That's it for this video on Merit Beauty. I just want to say thank you again to Merit Beauty for sending me these products. They did give me a code for you guys to purchase items off, like an affiliate code. I'm only gonna post it if you guys want me to, but because I know like it's like weird, like, you know, but I'm only gonna post it if you guys want me to post it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.